How to ask the universe for anything and actually get it. What if I told you that you have the power to create your reality? What if everything you've ever wanted, money, success, love, happiness, was just one thought away? The universe is always listening, but most people don't know how to ask for what they want, and that's why they struggle. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to ask the universe for anything and actually get it. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the most powerful manifestation technique that can change your life. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Everything in this universe is made of energy, including your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and what you focus on expands. If you constantly think about lack, fear, or doubt, that's what you attract. But if you shift your mindset and learn how to communicate with the universe the right way, you can manifest money, success, love, or any goal you desire. So how do you do it? How do you align your energy with your desires? Let's break it down into 4 powerful steps. Step 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. Most people send mixed signals to the universe. They say, "I want to be rich," but deep down, they fear money or believe it's hard to earn. The universe responds to clarity. Instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I am attracting $10,000 per month with ease." Instead of, "I want to be happy," say, "I am living a joyful, fulfilling life surrounded by amazing people." Be specific. Write it down. Visualize it as if it's already happening. Step 2. Align your thoughts and emotions. The universe doesn't just respond to words, it responds to energy. If you say, "I am successful," but feel doubt and fear, you create resistance. To manifest faster, you must feel the emotions of already having what you want. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. How does it feel? Exciting? Freeing? Peaceful? Hold on to that feeling, because that emotion is the magnet that pulls your desires to you. Step 3. Take inspired action. This is where most people get stuck. They ask for what they want, but they don't take any action. Manifestation is not just about thinking positive, it's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Want to start a business? Take the first step. Want to meet your soulmate? Put yourself out there. Want to attract wealth? Develop skills that bring more money into your life. When you take action, the universe meets you halfway. Step 4. Trust and let go. This is the hardest part, trusting the process. A lot of people ask, "What if it doesn't work?" But that's exactly why it doesn't work. Doubt repels manifestation. When you plant a seed, do you dig it up every day to see if it's growing? No, you trust that with time, sunlight, and water, it will bloom. The same applies to your manifestations. Ask for what you want, align your energy, take inspired action, then let go and trust that it's on its way. Now here's a question for you. What's the one thing you're manifesting right now? Drop it in the comments as if it's already yours. And let's create a powerful energy together. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. The universe is always listening, always responding. The question is, what are you asking for? If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing content, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. The universe is waiting. It's time to ask and receive.